Welcome guys to my channel. That's Resh Kevo. We are talking about the order flow. I know many people don't know about the order flow. In the smart money concept, the key point is the order flow. If every trader that trades even price action, they use order flow, but they don't understand if it is order flow. So for today's trading, for today's video, we are talking about order flow. So enjoy. After the disclaimer, we meet in the chat every time. Let me there, guys. Guys, it is another fantastic time. Welcome guys every time we are seeing what is an order flow. Many people does not understand about the order flow, sir. Many people does not understand the order flow, sir. As a smart money concept trader in Forex, you need to have the order flow. Order flow, how do the orders flowing? How many buyers are there? How many sellers are there? These are all the segment. How many buys are there? Do the banks, do the big banks are trading with us? How? What is the flow of the market? Who are in control? So let's read together. So order flow in Forex refers to the number of buyers, sellers entering the market to trade a currency. That understood? It shows the supply and demand for that currency, and it helps traders understand market sentiment and make informed trades. For example, if there are more buyers than sellers, demand for currency is high and its price goes up. If there are more sellers than buyers, demand is low and the price may go down. Traders use order flow analysis to monitor the market and make educated trades based on this information. So, having the order flow is knowing right now there are many buyers in the market or sellers in the market. You cannot buy all the candles are in blue. That is all the candlesticks are bullish. As you come, you take a trade, you are entering sale. No, you need to have the flow of the market. You need to know who are in control. Is it demand or supply? So, this currency, it is highly demanded. That's why many traders are in. So, let's enter and learn more. So, there is two types of order flow. There is external and internal order flow. So, the internal order flow is whereby you are trading with trend. So the internal order flow is where there is a correction measures. We call them corrections. Let's take an example. Guys. Let's take an example. Here is an example. Alright, guys. So this is an example. So this is an external order flow correction, external fraction. So like that. So this is an up. So if you are trading with trend, we tap here, this is an external order flow. This is now the one that gives us, so this is now the internal order flow where there is corrections. We call this one corrections. This is now the inducement, that is the moves. Right, guys, let's come to another example here. So the second example is for a downtrend. Is this one right here. So how do we identify the order flow? The order flow, it is identified when we tap the demand zone, so and we are respecting it. Alright, so we have tapped these twice. So this is what? This is a valid demand zone. So automatically we'll go long. Actually we'll go long. That is, we identify the order flow here. This order flow is bearish, is bullish. It's bullish. For this second example here, the order flow is, that is sellers, the sales, or supply, the order flow. The order flow here is a demand. So that all. We are looking for buys, we are looking for sellers. That all. Let's go to another example. So traders. That are amazing. That fantastic. Let's move to this is an example now, using now the chart right now, guys. So this is what we are talking about. This is external, where there is a move. When there is now a correction going to low high, we take another move. There is a correction, we take another move. So you need to understand the trend of the market. Whenever you understand the trend, you will identify the Honda flow. This is the Honda flow. The Honda flow here bearish. This is a bearish Honda flow, because we are moving down, 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 down. That amazing. That amazing, guys. Let's go to another example. Let's go to another example, an uptrend Honda flow. This is another example of an uptrend Honda flow. Let's look at it. So this is an external move correction, move correction, move correction. So we trade mostly at these moves, these big moves. So this is what, if it taps here and here, so the underflow here is bullish underflow. We are going up, we are going up, we are looking for buys, buys, buys. For the correction, you take very cleanly. For the correction, we take trades very cleanly and following many aspects of trading, guys. So I don't want to make this video long, so let's look another example. I can see it's very amazing, guy. Yes, example 3. How are they marked? How the underflow are being marked? So underflow, it can be the underflow, how it is being marked. Whenever there is now a breakover, let's take example, this is an uptrend. Let me show you guys. So let's take an example here. Let me make this thing clear so that you can understand. Let me make it clear, more clear. Yes, let's now take our brush. So we are at uptrend. This is an uptrend. How do we mark the underflow? So where there is a breakover, a structure, and the market makes it that is a high low, that is a valid underflow. So the underflow who are in the market, right, that is a demand. That is demand. When structure and we make the high low, that is a valid underflow, or we call it an underblock. This is a valid underblock, a valid underblock, a valid underblock. That right, guys, for the uptrend. Amazing. Let's go to another example. Mark the entire pullback price with magnet to trace back to the. See, this is another day, guys. I don't want to make this video long. Let's stay with that underflow. I think right now you can now understand what is underflow. So, guys, I say Forex is a course. Forex is a course always. So, stand it cleanly, do something clear. Learn step by step. You will make it one day, guys. So I don't want to make this video so long, guys. So you train wisely every time. Stop wasting time. I said stop wasting time. So I'm speaking to the young generation right now, guys. Do not waste your time doing something that is not innovative. Yourself, what you need to have is just knowing terms. To be a smart money trader, SM, you need to hear the following term: BOS, break of structure, course, change of character, underflow, overall trend, OBS, OB, underblock, liquidity, stop it, FG. That is imbalance, inducement, supply and demand, so buyers and sellers. So do not waste time. Enter in this industry. It gives a lot of money, guys. So don't waste a lot of time. You are there watching insignificant video that are not making yourself productive. So be a productive person. That is the say of Keresh the Forex. Be a productive son. Do something that is important, that is your future. Ask yourself 20 years from now, if you start Forex right now, after 3 years, bear me witness, you will be harvesting something right. Don't waste time. Be in trading every time. Show up every time. Whenever you try. In between trying, there is a high profit inside. You will not fail actually. Fail, wake up every time. Blow account, get up every time. Learn. I say train real money when you learn. Actually, let's try that.